A plane! What is a plane doing here?
This tail number matches the grid coordinates. It was officially reported lost on April 12, 1968.
So the crash site is confirmed.
The cofferdam is too risky with this ground condition. We proceed with a direct lift.
Confirmed. Mobilize the main hoist.
Keep the suction clear. I'm bringing the jet around.
Roger that. It's opening up now. We're almost through.
Nylon soft slings are wrapped around the wing roots to avoid crushing the old metal.
For 6 months, the airframe soaks in a chemical bath to leach out the salt.
Cross-reference this section with the schematic. We need to check the turbine inlet temperature sensors.
Got it. Got it.
We must document the exact position before removal.
I have it logged. Moving to compartment A-4.
Lighter.
Yes, we finally got it. We finally got it.
Tug test complete. Satisfactory.
Noted in the log. Moving to the outboard section.
Shocks and chains secured, Captain.
Roger that. Clear the area. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Ground vibration tests ensure the airframe can handle the engine's torque.
Brakes engaged, steering checks good. Taxi checks complete, holding short.
We have visual confirmation. The ascent phase looks nominal. Absolutely incredible.
Landing is smooth. The Spitfire of the Pacific is home.
The aircraft is scheduled for its first public appearance at an international air show.
The Grand Champion Award goes to the Sky Raider.
We are absolutely thrilled. Thank you, everyone.
It's quite an honor.
Certainly earned it. We certainly earned it.
To the whole crew.